Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.6, Problem 17. This is Section 2.6, Problem 17. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 47 over 244 minus 29 over 244. So, I have the same denominator in both fractions in my question, so I can keep that same denominator of 244 in my answer. Then I can combine the numerators. I can subtract 47 minus 29. Now you might be able to see that without writing it out, but if you can't, just take a second and write out the whole problem. 47 minus 29 and do the math. So if you start with 7 minus 9, the 9 is too big to subtract away from the 7, so we'll borrow. We will eliminate the 4, cancel it down to a 3, and then put a 1 in front of that 7, making it a 17. And then I'll subtract 17 minus 9, which is 8. And then in the other column of digits, I have 3 minus 2, which is 1. So I have 18. So my answer is 18 over 244. And that's the answer. But I can see right away, because they're both even, that I can reduce at least by 2. 18 is even, 244 is even. So let's see if we can cut them both in half. Half of 18 is 9, and half of 244 is 122. So I have 9 over 122. Now, can I reduce that any further? Maybe I can. Well, I can't reduce by 2 because the 9's not even. So 2's out. 3 might work. 3 goes into 9 evenly. In fact, the only way to make a 9 really is 3 times 3 with whole numbers. Will 3 divide into 122 evenly? Well, it's tough to tell without actually starting the math. So the trick to do is add the digits of 122 together and see if the result is something that 3 will divide into evenly. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 more is 5. 3 does not divide into 5 evenly, so it will not divide into 122 evenly. So at this point, there's nothing else really to try that would divide into both the top and bottom evenly. So 9 over 122 is as reduced as our answer will get. That is the final answer.